Here's a recipe that you guys can whip up in no time. Today we're gonna make tacos, and these are gonna be not regular tacos, these are gonna be raw vegan tacos. As our ground meat-like texture, we're going to use these walnuts. I'm just gonna quickly soak them. It only takes about maybe 20-30 minutes just to quickly soften them up. And while the walnuts are soaking, we're gonna make our sour cream. For that, we're going to use some hemp seeds, lemon juice, and water. I'm not even using any salt here, but you can definitely add some salt, and you can also add some apple cider vinegar if you like. It's gonna be more tangy, but I just leave it simple because I feel like when I eat less salt and less, apple cider vinegar and all those extra things, I feel actually better this way. The simpler the food, the better I feel. And to stuff our tacos or wraps or taco wraps, I'm going to use very simple vegetables. I have this onion that I'm gonna quickly dice here, and I also have these tomatoes that I'm gonna chop them kind of small also. I have the lime, of course. Okay, let's put everything on the side, and we're gonna move on to our next ingredient, which is very simple. It's lettuce. It's iceberg lettuce. You can use romaine lettuce. You can use any lettuce you prefer. This is what I had on hand, and that's what I'm gonna use. Now our walnuts finished soaking, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water, and I'm gonna add some cumin and some coriander. And also I have this cayenne pepper. I like a little bit of kick, so I use a tiny bit, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And of course I'm gonna use this lime. Fresh lime gives this yummy taste. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my food processor, and I'm just gonna kind of process it all together until it kind of resembles like a ground meat texture. Not really a pate, because I like to keep the chunks in there. So next ingredient we're going to use are these organic veggie wraps. These are raw. They have very, very simple ingredients. I'll show you later. And I was trying to experiment here, so I was trying to cut them so they can resemble like a circle shape. This one didn't quite turn out as a circle, but it doesn't matter. I still ate it. It was delicious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna quickly cut all three of these. And we're gonna use our nut meat, and we're gonna use our vegetables. We're gonna put everything nicely together, and then we're gonna just sprinkle the sauce on top, or our raw vegan sour cream. Hemp seed sour cream, right? And of course I have this cilantro that I already pre-chopped earlier. I usually like to meal prep my cilantro, and it's good for about 2-3 days. I just add it to dishes like this, or just sprinkle it on my salad a little bit. Okay, so here we go. We got our hemp seed sour cream. Okay, and yeah, I'm just using the toothpick here so that it can hold on to our kind of shape here. And that's it. It's ready. Just be careful. If you use a toothpick, don't bite into it. Yeah, that's our taco. It's the easiest, the quickest, the fastest taco you can ever have. And yeah, you can just buy these wraps. You don't even need to spend hours dehydrating and then figuring out if if something doesn't work out, or if they start tearing apart. These are already kind of ready to go, and it's easy. And you don't have to eat like this every day, because I know they could be a bit pricey, but once in a while I really, really feel like having something like this. And they were delicious. They hit the spot, and it's nice to eat your food sometimes with the hand. you know it's like you get tired of eating the salad with the fork all the time, and you just want to hold on to it. So here are the ingredients that I have here. So zucchini, apples, flax seeds. It's very, very, very nice and clean ingredients, and yeah, it's delicious. Walnut meat, it can be stored in the fridge for another 2-3 days. You can sprinkle it on a salad, and it's ready to go. This is a very simple recipe. It's really delicious. I hope you guys gonna try it. If you do, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.